Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'll be doing that design in this video, so keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. So we'll be doing the polishing in this video. Before we did the acrylic already and the shaping, so now we're just doing the design. I know you guys haven't heard my voice as often, but it's been busy, so whenever there's a complicated design that I'm doing, I'll audio record that one, but most of them are explanatory on their own, and it's safe to say you can understand what is being done in the videos. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them as best as I can, so keep on watching. So we'll be doing a spring design, but it's not the regular pastel design. It's a red spring look, red flowers that my client wanted. And again, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So I hope you like this video so far, and if you have reached this far, you're doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notification as to when I post another video. So we are doing spring design. Don't forget to comment below whenever you have a question about what you see and if it was not clear enough in the video. So keep on watching, guys. So as you can see, we're putting on our top coat to seal in the design. So that means we are done. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Goodbye.